What's going on, everyone? It's Marsellis back with another Dogecoin video, and we have to talk about everything that we did yesterday with Dogecoin. So yesterday was a really big day for Dogecoin, and mainly because of what Elon Musk tweeted yesterday. He did a bunch of tweets about Dogecoin yesterday, which was pretty much 2 tweets, but he actually responded to all the tweets, so it actually helped out Dogecoin. And he also tweeted about other things, but the main thing we want to look at is what he tweeted about Dogecoin, which was woke James Bond Saturday Night Live May 8th. And then up here, he has thrown out some skit ideas for Saturday Night Live. What should I do? So he's actually talking to the people, asking him what he should do for that day. And he actually said that he would be doing something along the Dogecoin, the DOGEFATHER line. But we already know he's going to do the DOGEFATHER thing. So he may do some other things on there. So that may be also some more good promo for Dogecoin Irony Man. And as long as he has a Dogecoin as his emblem on his little suit, I guess, if he's Irony Man. But he has a lot of other different ideas on here. Definitely something about Dogecoin, he said, about DOGEFATHER, and you on Joe Rogan. But yeah, we definitely see that there's a lot of people recommending things that he should do here. So we are going to have something big that happens on Saturday Night Live, May 8th. But yeah, this is going to happen. This is going to be big. You definitely want to be in Dogecoin before that happens. And looking at our chart here, we can see that we're continuing to rise here. This is more of a longer chart here. And like I said, a month is long inside of crypto, week is long in crypto, all that, because crypto is really volatile. So let's continue to look at what we have here and see how much we are going up by. So yeah, let's go over to a shorter chart, actually, maybe the 1 minute chart here. And as you can see, we are on a little downtrend here, but we did just have a lot of growth here with Doge. So this is just a little temporary downtrend that we'll probably end up breaking soon, either going up or down a little bit more. So that is definitely something to think about here with Doge, because every time we have these trends with Doge, we always end up breaking them after like the third time around. And this is looking like it's ready to break it, either for the better or for worse. So we are definitely going to break that trend, definitely going to continue to rise. If you look back here, this is where we actually jumped from yesterday, so you can see how much growth that really was, which it wasn't a lot compared to what Doge is used to. So honestly, Doge is starting to stabilize a little more. So even Elon Musk's tweets, they aren't singing it like 10 cents ahead or like 20 cents ahead, but it was almost about 10 cents, because it was around 32 cents really. Then we came all the way up here, 37, touching almost at 40, all the way up here, where we finally almost got there, and then we got shut down. So we have a lot of resistance at 40 cents, and that is definitely the next trend we're going to break here. As you can see, we are trying to break out of this little trend line here, and once we do that, we are going to be heading straight back for 38 cents, and then hopefully we break 40 cents by tonight, possibly tomorrow. Remember, I'm not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. This is just what I'm doing personally. I'm actually still holding Doge, so I'm not going to sell anything, and I still have my Doge. But look at this. Look at our market cap here, $49 billion in market cap. That's really good with Doge. And we have 10.2 billion in 24-hour trading volume. This was actually at 51 billion yesterday. But yeah, we were doing huge numbers yesterday. So I'm definitely really thankful for that with Dogecoin. But we are going to do even bigger numbers leaning in the next days. So today is pretty much just going to be like a consolidation day. It's going to trade sideways. It may dip a little bit more, or it may go up a little bit more. But for the most part, today is not going to be as much growth as yesterday. We'll kind of be leveled out around here, 37, 38 cents, possibly even 39 towards the end of the day. But that is a big possibility. But I'm not too sure about that one, but I'm definitely sure we are going to continue to trade sideways for the rest of the day, whether we go up a little bit or down. But ultimately, we're going to be going up over time, because that is just the trend that we always set here at Doge. That is the trend line that we are actually following here at Doge. So Doge is actually continuing to grow and just grow all on this trend line. So we could end up coming down and maybe consolidating, like I said, 37 cents area. But honestly, I don't think it's going to do that. I think we are going to just continue to rise, and 38 cents would be the ideal area I want to stay in. But as you can see, the last time we were here was all the way back here when we were falling down from Doge Day 420. So that's something to think about here. We have a lot of resistance here at 40 cents. We did not want to go over that yesterday. But yeah, we still have a lot going on with Dogecoin, not even just with Elon Musk, but with Dogecoin in general. We have Slim Jim still, making Dogecoin gifts every day. We still have so much here with Dogecoin. We still have so many memes here, and we have a bunch of memes here. So yeah, this is the Dogecoin, yes sir, right there. The Dogefather. But yeah, people seen it hit 40 cents yesterday, and a lot of people sold out, which was expected. But we are going to continue to rise here with Dogecoin. We just need some time, and we need some more market cap. But yeah, look at this. Thinking about Elon Musk and thinking about Elon Musk. Yeah, this is crazy right here. Yeah, this is probably going to happen. Something similar to that. Some Dogecoin fun over there. But yeah, Dogecoin is going to rise. I like Dogecoin because it's one of the better communities in the crypto world. But look at this. That is a lot of growth right there. 1,400%. That's life-changing money right there. $98,000 gain. That is huge right there. So yeah, Dogecoin is definitely changing a lot of people's lives right now. And it could change your life too if you invest into it. But remember, I'm not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. This is just Dogecoin going to the moon. That's all this is. But yeah, as you can see, Dogecoin is like one of the best cryptos out there. Just all of these memes. We already know that we are in the social media age of time, and whatever runs the social media will run the finances. It'll run the currency, and Dogecoin is running social media right now. So as you can see, Dogecoin is running the finances right here. But yeah, Dogecoin is definitely going to continue to go to the moon. Even whenever you go over to Google Trends, you can see that Dogecoin is still trending. So let's go all the way over here and see what we have for Dogecoin. But yeah, the past hour we've been trending huge here for Dogecoin. The most we've been trending here is in North Dakota, and then Washington, Wyoming, California, Alaska. Yeah, where is... Okay, so I'm all the way down here, number 16. I'm in Florida, number 16 in the Dogecoin trend. But yeah, Dogecoin is breaking out right now. So Dogecoin is one of those things you really want to be in right now, because look, even for the last 4 hours, it's still a good little trend here. But we aren't doing as good as we were around Doge Day 420. But once the Saturday Night Live comes, this is where it's going to be at. So imagine the gains that you had yesterday, and it didn't really look like that much of a jump in the chart. But then you imagine if once it hits the actual Saturday Night Live, actual May 8th day, that's going to be a huge gain day. And we're already almost at 40 cents. So no doubt we will be at 60 cents or possibly $1 by then. Because if we're already at 37 cents now, so by then we should definitely be at 60 cents to about $1. So that's where I'm setting the price target here with Doge. That'll be really huge if it gets to $1, but definitely expect for it to sell off once it hits there. And the same thing, if we go to 60 cents, expect for it to sell off after that, because that's just what we do. We'll sell off a little bit, and then it'll try to come back up, but it won't quite get all the way there, and then it'll stop like midway, and then it'll do it a third time, and then it'll stop the third time midway, and this will be when we get all the way up to 60 cents. So that would be all the way up there. But yeah, this is just what we are looking at in the short term with Doge. But in the long term, honestly, I see Doge going way beyond $1. That's just my personal opinion. I can see us hitting $1 trillion market cap in Doge. So we could actually be at $10 in Doge. And this could be something that happens in 1 or 2 years. But it's definitely something that's going to happen over time, because Doge has so much media attention, so many supporters here. Doge has so many uses now. We're actually being able to buy stuff in Doge. And once Doge is accepted in Amazon, once Doge is accepted through Tesla, Walmart, all that, it'll all be good. But let's see where we are at with the Amazon petition. So yes, we have an Amazon petition here, and this is for Dogecoin. Look at this, 210,000 have signed, and they need 300k. I already did my part, so definitely do your part here and sign up for this Dogecoin petition for Amazon. It's called Doge for Amazon. But yeah, we are definitely hoping that we get Dogecoin with Amazon. It's not 100% definite and for sure, but We do have a petition, so that is a first step inside of it. But I do think we are going to get it over time. We just have to wait. It's definitely a really big process for them to start accepting crypto on Amazon. So they don't even accept Bitcoin. So first they have to start accepting Bitcoin and Ethereum and all that, and then Doge will come right next to it. So that is what we will see. Just like with Webull, when they start accepting Doge, they actually started accepting Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Doge all at the same time. So that's something to think about. Whenever Bitcoin is presented to them, that's probably the more likely than that they'll be able to do it or even want to do it. But yeah, Bitcoin would probably not even be used to buy stuff on Amazon. Bitcoin is too valuable. That's why Doge will be used for the currency of the future and of Amazon, because there's so much Doge in the circulation, 129 billion, and it's infinite, so 5 billion every year. That's a good rate right there. So yeah, Dogecoin is going to continue to rise here. We just have too many good fundamentals to get shut down again, and this time is different than last time, because this time we just rose gradually here. We didn't just randomly shoot up like right back here. That's why we dipped so hard. But this is actual gradual growth here with Doge. So we are going to see huge growth coming inside these next 7 days, 6 days now. But yeah, this is going to be here sooner than we think. We are going to see the gains from Saturday Night Live, pre-Saturday Night Live. Then on Saturday Night Live, we may see more gains. And when we do, we definitely will dip huge after that. So definitely be prepared to know what you want to do. If you want to hold after, because you know it's going to continue to go up after it dips after Saturday Night Live. It'll just take some time, like it did back in Doge Day 420. Like when that dipped, it took a little bit of time for it to come back really. And as you can see, it went up and then it dipped all the way down, and it didn't really take that long for it to come down. Like, just imagine if you would have bought that dip and where you are now. That would have been a lot of money right there. I wish I would have got in on that dip, but I did not. But that is just how things go out here. But remember, I'm not a financial advisor. It's not financial advice. And if you like this video, go ahead, hit the like button, subscribe, and check out the description for free stock with Robinhood, Webull, and Public. And I'll be back with another video.